Right, so in this tutorial I'm gonna show you the best way on how you can export PPT from Genspark. Just make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. So first thing you need to do is just press on AI slides, and right over here it will show you some AI slides templates. Right over here you can choose. Just keep one thing in your mind. If you're gonna export PPT, you need to be on a subscription plan, because without any subscription plan you cannot do that. Just keep in your mind that you have an upgrade plan. So just choose any template you would like to choose, and then just make a gaming presentation. Do something like this, and it's just gonna make a gaming presentation for you to AI. And here, as you can see, is let it just do its work, and it's pretty much gonna do everything for you. You don't need to do anything. And here, as you can see, it's actually very amazing seeing AI can do all of this, and it's gonna do all your gaming research, whatever topic you have for it, and it will just create it. So we're just gonna give it some time, and once it's done I'll be right back with you. Alright, so it's done, and here, as you can see, it did all the work. So you need to press on view and export, and just simply press on export, and here, as you can see, you'll be able to see PPT. Simply press on that, and right over here, if you want to choose PPT, here, as you can see, you need to upgrade to Plus. As I told you before, you need to get the subscription. Just get the Plus plan. It's like $20 a month. If you get it, then you can directly just do the export, and you're good to go. So yeah, this is it for this tutorial. I hope it actually helped you out. I'll see you soon in the next one.